right, so a little bit of the industry changes and the transition focus.
Yes.
Obviously, the transition focus to a low GWP will include switching to new refrigerants or A2L refrigerants such as R54B in the HVAC industry. Most equipment manufacturers, including Bosch, of course, will design, test, certify, and fabricate the new low GWP enabled R54B equipment. Equipment manufacturers will also institute new product installation, operation, and repair criteria for the low GWP enabled equipment. Secondly, the Department of Transportation, DOT, which will mandate the requirements for shipping mildly flammable refrigerant gases with existing rules in place. And there are currently no new rules for the low GWP refrigerant. There will also be new building and fire codes for A2L refrigerant, dictating the storage limits and installation across jurisdictions. And contractors and installers can check with their local municipalities to determine what codes are enforced and any compliance concerns as well. We will provide a resource in just the next slide to check the
Mhm.
relevant building code.
Yep.
Finally, there will be the new refrigerant recovery, reclamation, and destruction criteria developed, which will be focused on the new low GWP refrigerant as well.
Yeah, a lot of things happening in the refrigerant sector in this next year, in particularly.
Correct. Um, HRI recently came out with this building code map. We found this to be very, very useful. So even though the AIM Act was passed several years ago, the local building codes and state legislations they still need to be updated to allow low GWP refrigerant equipment to be installed in buildings. So most states in the United States are now allowing low GWP refrigerant, and you can still find up-to-date information on the HRI website, which we can possibly provide in the chat or links as well.
Absolutely. And that's what we refer to a lot when people ask. So we get the questions, hey, is my state prepared? It's moving so fast in some areas, it's best to stay with one common location. So we tend to send people over to the A2L refrigerant building code map as well.